In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to browse the internet on a TCL Google TV step by step. So this is what you're going to do first. We are going to make sure that we have this browser installed within the TCL Google TV, and the browser is called the Browse Here TV browser. As you can see right here on my TV right there, I have it installed already. If you don't have it, you're going to make sure that you move to home, then move to apps, then down right here, search for apps and games. You're going to have to put Browse Here TV browser. Okay, use the remote, browse that right there. So you're going to search down right there. So you can actually see it's right there. So if you have it right there, please press OK on it and make sure you have it installed within the TCL Google TV. Now, when it's installed, all you gotta do is open, okay? And yes, when you open it, it brings you a lot of things right here. On your left hand side, you could actually see we have the home and then podcasts, in case you want to access podcasts. So we're interested in browsing currently, so make sure we're in the home part, okay? Now, right down here, you can actually see we have access to YouTube, Netflix, that, then Google, okay? So if you want to access YouTube using this browser, you move to YouTube, then press OK on the remote, and this will lead you to YouTube, okay? While you actually watch YouTube videos and all that, as you can see, okay? Yeah, okay? Yeah. So you can head back, okay? Do the same for Netflix. Then on your right, you actually see Google, okay? Right there. So you can press OK on Google, and then you're within Google, okay? Yes. Now, for example, if you want to search something, you can actually just go to search or type a URL right there. For example, I'm going to search how to cook, okay? How to see, make sure you know the keyboard very well down right here. How to cook. You can actually see that the suggestions up right there. How to cook. Okay, when you're done, move this side, okay, while you enter right there, and it actually brings you the search results. As you can actually see, I mean, it's more like you're on your PC, you're on your phone, and you're actually browsing the internet. You see how cool that is? So that is basically how you browse on a TCL Google TV step by step. If you like such content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.